Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to uh, direct your practice as an offering to somebody or something that is not nearby, to something out of uh, out of view, maybe across the world, uh, maybe across time. I guess I don't know. Uh, but the idea is to direct your practice as an offering towards something. Um, what I like to do is direct the whole of my practice. So the warm up, the drills, the form, the cool down, the meditation, etc. Do the whole thing. But you can simply do the whole form, and it doesn't even have to be sort of directional, where I'm really tuned into the person. Let's say that's sick is they live over there, and that doesn't even have to be directional. It's more about the idea of it. So I like to kind of call to mind what that um, recipient of my offering will be, and then just direct my whole practice to it. And I don't want to say any more about it. I just want to leave it as simple as that. So enjoy that, and remember, your teacher directed the whole of their career in the direction of your development and healing. So thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.